I just love the deals that I found.
My name is Tracy Panase and I organize the Just Between Friends sale here in Reading. This is Berks County's largest kids consignment sale. It's everything you need from infants all the way up to teenagers at 50 to 90% off retail. So we literally have hundreds of thousands of items. A lot of these items are brand new or gently used. We carefully inspect them, not only for quality, but also for recalls. Everything you need to clothe or entertain your child for the upcoming season is here at the Just Between Friends sale at Body Zone.
There's a wide variety of products that you can get for your kids, from infants all the way to teens. Lots of toys, sports gears. A lot of brand names that I enjoy finding for my children, but it's a fraction of the price. So I love finding dress-up clothes, nicer clothes, as well as even play clothes. Also, I love the idea that it's put on by local moms. The quality of clothes, they were all but new, but a fraction of the price. And so I have been shopping here spring and fall ever since.